All right, how's it going, Algebra 1? Mr. Walker with ya. So you are doing the distribution review because you do have a quiz on Monday. So if you are here, you might be having a little trouble with the worksheet. Not to worry, I'm going to walk you through some of them. Number 1, we've got 6 times negative 4k plus 9, just like we have been doing for every single one of these distribution problems. You take that minus 6 and you distribute it to both of them. We're multiplying them. So take 6 times negative 4. That's a negative 24. And there's a k there, so we need to write k. That's supposed to be a k. There we go. That's better. Now we take 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54. And it's positive, so I say plus 54. I think I'm going to do the odd numbered questions. I'm going to leave it to you to do the evens. All right, so number 3. We've got negative 2 times 1 minus 9a. Once again, take that negative 2 and multiply it by both of the things in the parentheses. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 times a negative 9 is positive 18. And we can't forget about that a because that a goes with the 9. Now let's go on to number 5. Number 5, we've got a negative 9v times 8v plus 3. Take that negative 9v, multiply it by both of the things in the parentheses. Multiply them. Negative 9 times 8 is negative 72. Now, here we need to count how many v's we have. We've got one v here and another v here. So that means I need to say v squared. That little 2 goes with there. Now I take negative 9 times a positive 3. Negative times a positive is a negative. So I say minus 27. And then I only have one v left. So that's my answer for number 5. Here comes number 7. 6 times 2 plus a. This is a pretty easy one. We're taking that 6, multiplying it by both of the things in the parentheses. 6 times 2, that's 12. Now what's the number in front of that a? Remember, it's an invisible 1. So you have 6 times 1, which is 6. So plus 6, and our a goes with the 6. Last one, number 9, 7v times 8v plus 6. All we gotta do is what we have been doing. Take what's out in front and multiply it by both of the things in the parentheses. 7 times 8, do the numbers first. 7 times 8, 56. Count how many v's you have after you're done multiplying. I've got 1 here and 1 here. So that means I have v with a little 2 by it. V squared, we call that, remember. Now take 7 times 6. Multiply the numbers first. That's a positive, so I say plus 42. Count how many v's you have when you multiply the 7v and the 6. You've just got 1. So I say 42v right there. And that's the answers to the odds. I'm going to leave it to you to do the evens. I will record another video and I'll post it later showing all the even answers, so stay tuned for that.